my channel Nifty Buddy. You all might be wondering why I look so happy, isn't it? Well, I just figured out today that I have all the powers of Elsa. Well, at least one power of Elsa. Well, you want to see what that is, and if you don't believe, you don't have to. And after I show this proof, you all will believe that. So do you want me to show it? Come on, let's go. Did you guys see what I just did? It was cool, isn't it? Well, I am the only one Elsa in this world who's real. Well, I was just kidding. It has nothing to do with powers or anything. It was just a science experiment. And do you want to know the science behind it and also want to try it? The materials that you need for this experiment are, you need a plastic bottle, pure water in the sense purified water or water from the store. Over here I'm using purified water. And then last but not the least, you will need a freezer. First you need to pour the pure water into the bottle and pop it into the freezer for 2 to 3 hours. Over here I have kept it in the freezer for 3 hours. Now all we have to do is to just tap it. It's like really weird, isn't it? But that's the thing. Look, when I tapped it, what happened? The water inside the bottle started crystallizing into ice. It's good, isn't it? We all know that water freezes at 0 degrees Celsius or 32 degrees Fahrenheit, isn't it? Well, when I kept the water in the freezer for 3 hours, it still did not freeze due to the process of supercooling. Now, you might ask, what is supercooling? Well, supercooling is a process of freezing a liquid below its freezing point without turning it into a solid. It's super cool, just like the supercooling process, isn't it? Well, now let's go look at the science behind it. All of us know that water is in a liquid state, isn't it? And the molecules in water are moving freely apart from each other. Now, if you look at the solid state of water, which is ice, the molecules are closely packed to each other and they form a pattern just like this. Now, let us look at this thing. When I kept the bottle in the freezer for 3 hours, it didn't freeze, isn't it? Well, why did this happen? Well, the water that I had was pure enough and did not contain any nucleation site. In short words, did not contain any contaminants such as dust particles, etc. These particles helped in the formation of ice. That is why I already told you, never use tap water because tap water contains contaminants. Well, now what happened when we tap the bottle? When we tap the bottle, we provide the first nucleation site to a drop of water to freeze and form into ice crystals. And due to that, a chain reaction occurs and the rest of the water in the bottle is changed into ice crystals. Easy, isn't it? This is the end of this video. I hope you all liked this video, and if you did, make sure you like, share and subscribe to my channel to keep me motivated to make more such fun videos. Till then, let's play, explore, learn and grow together. Bye-bye. And make sure you press the like button and also hit the bell button below so that you get notified of every new video that I post. Bye-bye.